Coming close behind us is the E-18G Growler, flown today by Lieutenant Peter Foltz. Will run his engines up to military power, take us into the switch, and then proceed to go to maximum afterburner, utilizing the full thrust capacity of the General Electric F4-14 engines. Watch now as Foltz takes off in a maximum afterburner, low altitude, high transition. From the left, the E-18G Growler. Of the United States military. Flying the ground today is Lieutenant Peter Foltz, call sign Foltzy from Rochester, New York, and his electronic warfare officer, Lieutenant Thomas DeMumbrian, call sign Booker from Murfreesboro, Tennessee. All aircrew today are members of Electronic Attack Squadron 129, stationed at Naval Air Station Whidbey Island, Washington. Foltz begins to reposition the E-18G Growler for another right to left photo pass. Get your cameras ready, folks, and observe the power of your United States Navy.
Yeah, we're running a little bit hot tonight. I can barely see the road.
Utilizing the maximum thrust of his General Electric F4-14 engines, producing over 40,000 pounds of thrust at maximum afterburner.
Huh?
Folks, for the slow speed climb out and the power of your United States Navy. And listen to those F4-14s as they go into maximum afterburner as left at minimum altitude and maximum airspeed. From the left, the carrier brake. Will call the ball, indicating to the LSOs aboard the ship that the Growler is on glide slope and ready to come aboard. The LSOs will keep a sharp eye and assist the pilots over the radio when necessary to ensure a safe landing aboard the carrier. Three-quarter mile, foul ball. Roger ball, you're on glide slope. You're on glide slope, you're on center line. You're on glide slope, a little power. You're on glide slope on center line. Power back on. As America progresses in the 21st century, it becomes increasingly important that we reflect on our nation's proud history, the people, events, and technological advances which have made our country great. By remembering, appreciating, and fully understanding the touchstones of our past, we will be able to more successfully chart the course for America's future. With this in mind, Commander, Naval Air Force has developed the Tailhook Legacy Flight, a dynamic flight demonstration program designed to keep naval aviation's ties to its proud heritage alive and viable. Under this program, vintage warbirds from naval aviation's past are flown alongside the high-tech weaponry representative of present-day Navy carrier aviation. Through these unique formations flight demonstrations, we hope to provide inspiration for the men and women who currently serve, while attracting the best and brightest of our next generation of young Americans to join the ranks of naval aviation. During the World War II battles of Coral Sea and Midway, the full capabilities of naval tactical aviators became apparent through the inspired effects of a handful of naval aviators flying from straight-deck carriers. Two of the most decisive sea battles in the war in the Pacific were won. Unique in the history of naval warfare, neither battle involved the participation of surface combatants. Although it's been over 70 years since the conclusion of the Second World War, a number of aircraft are still flying today and play an active role in keeping the history of naval aviation alive and active on display. On the first pass from the right, the formation will parade past Show Center for the photo pass. Get your cameras ready, folks, as more than 70 years of naval aviation history passes Show Center.